Welcome. If you want to get Messenger Lite on your Huawei P40 Lite 5G, for the first you have to get the second smartphone with access to the Play Store, and here we have to download this application that we want to send. So here I have the Messenger Lite, and right now we have to move for the phone clone application that we are going to use to transfer this app. If you don't have it, you can download it on the Play Store. From the Play Store and on your P40 Lite 5G, you will get this application as a default. On the smartphone with the Play Store, click Old Phone, and on your P40 Lite 5G, select the new phone, select Old Phone type. In my case, this one is also Huawei. And here we have to connect. So I'm going to scan the code, but if you have any problem with your camera, you can input this password manually. So just pick your way. Unselect other things, scroll down, go for the apps and the data, and now just find Messenger Lite. Click right here, tap OK, tap Transfer, input your log method, and now it's finished, so let's click here. OK, and the finish button, and right now we can open Messenger Lite, and as you can see it's working, and right now we can create an account or just simply log in with our data. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.